How do I use the new Wallpaper Picker in iOS 16? Hi, I'm Eric Zeman, Managing Editor of Consumer Electronics at PC Mag. I'm going to show you how to set a new wallpaper in iOS 16. First, open Settings. Then, scroll to Wallpaper. Open Wallpaper. Touch Customize Wallpaper. Choose from one of the new wallpapers. Select Add. Decide whether you want the wallpaper on the lock screen, the home screen, or both. Wait a minute. And now your wallpaper is changed.